Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the 20 marks problem from your partnership accounts, admission of a partner. This is the most important problem. This will come for 20 marks in your final examination. You will find this question on page number 239 in your Telugu Academy textbook. So how many questions we have previously solved in the admission of a partner means partnership problem number 1, admission of a partner, and this is the problem number 2 from the admission of a partner. Let's see how to solve this. Before starting the problem, you need to keep in mind that we need to prepare the following accounts called as revaluation account, goodwill account and capital account, as well as cash and bank account and balance sheet of Amar Akbar Anthony, and there are 3 partners in this. Let's see what is the question given and how to solve the problem. Page 239, problem number 2. Amar and Akbar are partners sharing profit and losses 4:3. So there are 2 partners called as Amar and Akbar. Their ratio is 4:3, which means 4/7, 3/7 given in the question. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 was as under. On the liability sides, sundry creditors, outstanding expenses, general reserve is mentioned over here. So we need to distribute to Amar and Akbar according to the ratio, general reserve, and also capital accounts of both the partners. Asset side, cash, bills receivable, debtor, stock, machinery and land. On the above date, Anthony was admitted. Anthony was admitted in the sense this is the problem of admission of a partner. Previously there were 2 partners. Now they decided to admit Mr. Anthony as one of the partner. Now there are 3 partners called as Amar, Akbar, Anthony. Now Amar, Akbar and Anthony. Anthony should bring 35,000 rupees as capital and 28,000 rupees towards goodwill in cash. Land to be valued 20,000, machinery valued 23,000, stock to be depreciated by 10%, whereas we need to provide 1,300 rupees as in the name of bad debts. Let's see how to solve the problem. First, in the admission of a partner problem, we have to start from the asset. Right here cash and don't write the amount, write question mark. Don't write the amount, write question mark on asset side cash, and right here you need to brought down the balance of cash here to balance brought down how much? 5,000. 5,000 rupees you have to write here. Don't write the cash amount here. Why? I'll tell you later. Bills receivable, we don't have any adjustment, so bills receivable is an assets, right on asset side. Bills receivable 12,000. Debtors having adjustment on it. Debtors how much is given? 28,000. So we need to provide bad debts of rupees 1,300. So minus bad debts 1,300. So it is 26,700. Minus 1,300, you will get 26,700. Next, stock. We are having adjustment on stock. Stock is 24,000 given, right? Same as it is 24,000 in inner column. Having 10% depreciation on it, minus depreciation at the rate of 10%, which is 2,400. 24,000 minus 2,400, 22,000 plus minus 400, 21,600. 24,000 minus 2,400 gives you 21,600 order column stock. Machinery having adjustment on it. How much machinery is given? 25,000. Now machinery valued is 23,000. So minus depreciation 2,000 rupees. Now the present value of the machinery is 23,000. Whereas land also revalued. Land On the asset side it has given 15,000 rupees. Now the present value is 20,000, means appreciation has been taken place. Appreciation of how much? Of rupees 5,000 per column. 20,000 rupees is the present value of land. On liability sides, sundry creditors, 20,000. Outstanding expenses, 5,000. General reserve is given, which is going to be distributed to the partners. We'll distribute here. General reserve 14,000. According to the ratio, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Yes. So 2,000 into 4, 8,000. 7 ones are 7, 2,000s are 2 threes are 6. So this is general reserve to the partners. Here, after going with assets and liabilities, anything decrease in assets comes under revaluation account debit side. Decrease in assets, revaluation account debit side. Increase in assets, revaluation account credit side. Let's see what is decreases in the assets. Debtors. So right here 2 debtors. Next one is stock. 2 stock. Next one is machinery. So 2 machinery. How much depreciated? Bad debts of rupees 1300. Depreciation of 2,400 of stock. And also machinery 2,000 rupees depreciation. Appreciation of rupees 5,000 by land. By land, how much? 5,000. As you can see in this problem, the debit side of the revaluation account is more, which is nothing but 5,700. 5,700 is the debit side of revaluation account. We have to write here as well, 5,700. So from this 5,700 minus this 5,000, you will get 700 rupees, which is nothing but revaluation loss. Revaluation loss is 700 rupees. How you will get? 5,700 minus 5,000. This is the revaluation debit, this is the revaluation credit. From this, if you minus this, you will get 700. 700 distributed to Amar and Akbar, 4 by 7 into 700, 3 by 7 into 700. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 400 rupees to Amar, 7 ones are 700 are 300 rupees to Akbar. This is nothing but revaluation loss. So by Amar's capital account, by Akbar's capital account, how much? 400 rupees loss and 300 rupees loss, total loss of rupees 700. Next is goodwill account, to whom we have to distribute? To the old partners, called as to Amar's capital account, to Akbar's capital account. How much is the goodwill mentioned over here in the question? As you can see, Anthony has to bring 35,000 as capital and 28,000 as goodwill. So 28,000 need to be distributed to the partners. 8,000 and 6,000 general reserve. GR general reserve 8,000 and 6,000. So Amar is equal to 28,000 rupees goodwill, 28,000 rupees goodwill distributed into 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 7 ones are 7 for the So 4000 into 4 is equal to 16,000. 7 ones are 7 4 da. So 12,000. 16,000 Amar's capital. Goodwill is distributed to Amar 16,000, whereas 12,000 to Akbar. And the total is 28,000. By cash account, how much? 28,000 rupees. ₹28,000. So goodwill is distributed to both the partners, Amar and Akbar, according to their ratio 28,000 4 by 7, 28,000 3 by 7. Now we need to brought down the balances. By balance brought down by cash account by goodwill account by general reserve account. Here to profit and loss account, or you can say to revaluation account. Here loss to revaluation account, loss, this loss need to be transferred here. First of all, what is the balances given? 40,000 and 30,000. 40,000 Amar, 30,000 Akbar. Anthony nil, and Anthony bring the cash in the name of capital, which is 35,000. So we have to show here 35,000. Goodwill is distributed to both the partners, Amar and Akbar. 16,000, 12,000. Anthony nil. General reserve 8,000, 6,000. Anthony nil. Whereas revaluation account loss 400, 300. Anthony nil. Have to go for totals of all the partners. $35,000 is the Anthony's total, whereas 30,000, 40, 42,000, 48,000. 40,000, 50,000, 56, 64,000. Write the same here totals. 64,000, 48,000 and also 35,000. To balance carried down 64,000 minus 400, so 63,600 is the carried on balance. From this 64,000 minus this 400 rupees, so you will come to know the two balance carried on of Amar. 64,000 minus 400, 63,600. From 48,000 minus 300, you will come to know that 47,700 is the capital. From 35,000 nothing is going to be minus, means 35,000 of Anthony. This is how you need to calculate the balance carried on of all the three partners of Amar, Akbar and Anthony. Here you write by balance brought down, same this balance 63,600, 47,700 and also 35,000. In this cash account, a new partner come along with the cash. So who is the new partner? Anthony. To Anthony's capital account 35,000, and he also brings a goodwill, how much? 28,000. So what is the total of this? Is 40,000, 60,000, 68,000. by balance carry down 68,000. 68,000. Why we have written here question mark means now this is the present value of the cash, which is 68,000. After doing the calculation, we came to know the balance of cash 68,000. Now show the capital accounts of all three partners here. Capitals of Amar, Akbar and Anthony. How much is the capital? This is the carried on balance what we have brought down here. This is the amount you need to show 63,600, 47,700 and also 35,000 for Anthony. If you add all the assets and liabilities, your balance sheet will be tallied and the amount will be 1,71,300. 1,71,300, 1,71,300. This is how you need to prepare an admission of a partner problem. There are two partners called as Amar and Akbar having a ratio of 4:3, which means 4/3 and 4/7 and 3/7. A new partner came into existence, which is Mr. Anthony, and he has bring a capital of rupees 35,000 and a goodwill of rupees 28,000 distributed to all the partners. Anything decrease in the assets should be shown on revaluation account debit side. Anything appreciated or increase you have to write on revaluation account credit side. After doing the revaluation account, we came to know that a 700 loss has occurred. So that loss distributed to both the partners between them according to the ratio which is given 4:3. 400 rupees is the loss to Amar and 300 rupees loss to the Akbar. Here the goodwill also distributed according to the ratio 28,000, 16,000 and 12,000. Rest of the problem you know very well. In the cash account, in the end we have written a question mark here. Why? Because in the end we came to know that how much cash we are having after admitting Mr. Anthony. So this is the second problem of your admission of a partner. You will find this question on page number 239. This is the important problem for your final exam. We are going to conduct more videos, online classes to you. So for your better understanding, for your better learning, you need to keep watch all the videos. Thank you everyone.